How to fix this account might include sensitive content on X. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser as you cannot fix this error from the Twitter app itself. As you can see here, there is no option for sensitive content in the Content You See tab. So go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for twitter.com. Make sure you were signed in and now tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings and privacy option. Further, tap on the privacy and safety option you see there and then tap on the content you see option. Here, go ahead and make sure the display media that may contain sensitive content checkbox is enabled, and if not, then go ahead and enable the display media that may contain sensitive content checkbox, and with this, you will no longer receive the age restriction error. So, this is how you can fix this account might include sensitive content on Twitter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.